How to solve the problem of vitamin D deficiency.
Vitamin D deficiency is usually defined by serum 25-hydroxyvitamin D below 20 ng per milliliter, 50 nmol/liter, per the Institute of Medicine, though some experts aim for greater than 30 ng per milliliter. Causes include low sun exposure, darker skin, aging, obesity, malabsorption, certain medications, and chronic kidney or liver disease. Prevent with sensible sun, vitamin D-rich foods, and supplements. Infants 400 international units per day, children 400 to 600 international units, adults commonly 600 to 800 international units. Treat confirmed deficiency with guideline repletion such as 50,000 international units weekly for 6 to 8 weeks, or 6,000 international units daily, then maintenance. Recheck levels after 8-12 weeks, monitor calcium, and seek specialist care for complex cases.
That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.